Good afternoon, everybody. This is my introduction. I typically like to use iMovie, but this week is very hectic. So I'm sure you guys are all feeling the same pressures with 17 credits and full-time work. So Screencast is the easiest for me to use. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments, and I'll be sure to get back to them. As you could probably tell from the previous slide, my name is Tim Davis. I'm 33 years old. I live up in Jacksonville. I am married for going on about 5 years. We have dogs. We do not have kids. They are all Great Danes. We're big fans of those. Currently, I work on base as a contractor. So I teach military subjects that I used to do in the military. I recently retired back in the fall, and I also have been substitute teaching in the county, just to kind of see how the schools work and which ones I like and which ones I don't like. Ideally, I would like to teach 5th or 6th grade. That's been my favorite grade level so far. But we'll see how it all works out. Some personal facts about myself. I really enjoy distance running. Distances over 8, 10, 12, 15, 20 miles. It helps me clear my head. I think it's a big part of who I am. I also enjoy recreation shooting, which is another reason I intend on staying in North Carolina, because it's a great state for it. I love to travel. I've been over 40 countries. One of the pictures you see there is from my wife and I in 2015 went to some policy back. When the weather's a little bit better, I go climbing on my motorcycle. And long-term goals is, after I become a teacher, to get my master's and my doctorate, eventually be an administrator. I think teachers really shape the students' lives, but I think principals, assistant principals, and superintendents kind of shape the schools, which makes even more students in a better place. I've actually been very lucky to have a lot of experience with different types of children who have varying disabilities. I volunteer a lot with Angels. It's a charity group which focuses on inclusion of those with different types of hurdles in their life, bringing them into the fold, going on endurance-style races or triathlons or all types of things. But I've been doing it now almost 5 years. I have a blast. I've run a few marathons, tons of half marathons, and countless other varying distances. I've been doing that a lot as well. In my substitute teaching experience, there's obviously often a student or several students who have different types of IEPs and things like that. So I've been helping and trying to understand how those are all set up for students who need a little bit of extra help. The expectations that I hope to gain from this class are mostly just new strategies and techniques and how to interact with students that might need a little bit of extra help, or different types of approaches, or ways to structure my lesson plans so that they can reach the most students. I think we're all in here to be better educators, not just for the license. And when you're a better educator, it has a lot of second and third order effects. So that's kind of my goal. I think a lot of this is going to be done through collaboration and getting exposed to new information, not just